Hi guys, sorry we have to meet like this, but I am going to try to go through the lessons on these videos so that you have plenty of practice to work on these problems so that you'll keep on schedule, keep following the syllabus. So I'm going to do these in small videos so that I can email them to you and they won't overload and you'll be able to watch them, but I want you to try to stay on target and not get behind. So we are working on lesson 114, and all I'm going to do, it's basically a review of what we've already done, but it is a review on absolute value. So how many of you remember absolute value and what it means is anything inside these marks, these absolute value marks, always come out positive. So if you'll just always remember, absolute value means always positive. So I am going to work practice C. So if you will look at your lesson, we'll go over practice C. We went over some like this before we were out for spring break. But as a review, look at this. This is an example, and we have the absolute value of 4x minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so what we have to do, if you will remember, because the absolute value takes in the positive and the negative, we can set this equal to positive 4, but we also have to find out what x would be equal to with negative 4. The answer, we have to work it out in 2 steps. We have to work it out as a positive answer and as a negative answer. So that's what we do. We solve for x. So let's take this first one and let's solve for x. Multiply both sides by 2, just like what you would do when you solve any problem. You multiply that, you get 4x minus 8 is equal to 8. Solve for x. And you get x is equal to 4. So there's our first answer, but we're not finished. We have to work the negative answer. So let's solve for x. Do the very same thing. Multiply both sides by 2. We get 4x minus 8 is equal to negative 8. Four x is equal to 0, so there's our second answer. X is equal to 4, x is equal to 0. Go work some problems. Let me know how you do.